Welcome back, guys. I've got some resin here. I'm using, let's see, where did I put it? Alumilite white opaque dye. And I've got some Dr. Martin's Sepia India ink. And if it's not dark enough, I'll add a little bit, whoops, of Aluminite black dye. My cream filling has to be white, so I'm going to use this first to make sure that I can fill up my reservoir. I'll make sure I have enough. And I do, I have plenty. So that takes care of my cream filling. I'm going to compare it to the cookie. I think it needs just to be a little bit darker, just a hair. I think that looks good. Okay, so we're going to pour that in. We will see you in 24 hours. We're back. I'm going to take out the cream filling. I just stuck my finger in. I'm using these to fill in with my excess resin. I just stuck my finger in it. So I gotta get the glitter and goop off my fingers. This is still soft. I think it'll be okay. What I'll do in the future, for the sake of video, I'm gonna just cut this down so that it looks like the cream filling, and then on the next one I'll sand it. But there's my cream filling. Here comes the Oreo cookie. Ha ha ha! Can you see the Oreo? Oh, I can't tell. Yeah, you can see it. Isn't that cute? So now I'm just gonna trim off the excess resin. We're gonna have an Oreo cookie. There it is again. That looks just like an Oreo cookie. Oh my gosh. I did pretty good on picking that color. I don't expect too many of these will sell, so I'll just keep this one and do a couple just to see what kind of response I get. Now I've got my E6000 here. Okay, so I got my Oreo cookie this way. Okay, now we'll let this set to dry, and then I'll take it upstairs and we will put a little eye pin in and hook up our keychain. See you in a bit. Okay, we're getting ready to drill a hole in my cookie. Just got a flex shaft with a tiny drill. And we're just going to kind of eyeball it. There's my little hole. And we're going to secure the eye pin with a little bit of E6000. We'll just dip that in the glue. And making a mess here. I'm making it harder than it looks. Okay, we're going to find the hole here. We're going to just screw that in. Okay, and now we're going to hook that on there. Now we will bring that back. There we go. Give that a good pinch. And there is our Oreo cookie keychain. Isn't that cute? All right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you stopping in. And I hope you enjoyed this short little video. And make your own cookie mold. You can have your own keychain. What a cute idea. Pretty cool. All right. We'll see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.